Thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch, and today's video is how I label my Stampin' Blend markers. Now normally on my ink pads, my cardstock, all of my other supplies, I keep them in the Stampin' Up! Color families. So the subtles, the regals, the brights, the neutrals, and the end colors. But for my Stampin' Blend markers, I actually want to keep them in like all the purples, all the reds, all the pinks, greens, blues, grays. So that sometimes makes it difficult to figure out which marker's which. So for example, right here, HHD is Highland Heather Dark and HHL is Highland Heather Light. Rich Razzleberry Light, Rich Razzleberry Dark. So I'm going to show you how I label them. We're going to go ahead and take the Basic Black Dark and Basic Black Light, and let me move these out of the way. I'm going to get my P-Touch. I have shown this in a video previously years ago. I use this to label everything, even my scissors. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on, and since this is Basic Black, I'm going to do BB, and then I'm going to go down one space and then do L for light. I want to label both ends of the marker, so I'm going to print it 2 times. So that's once and then twice. And then I want to do the dark marker next. So I'm just going to backspace once and do D and then print and print. Okay, let me cut this off. Now I'm going to take my paper snips and I'm going to cut or trim as close to that as I can. You could use a Xyron. You could print these on paper and use a Xyron to get the adhesive. You could also use a Sharpie, but my handwriting is seriously like Chicken Scratch, so I don't care for my handwriting. It's very sloppy. So I like using the P-Touch. It's perfect for people like myself that have really awful handwriting. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this one, and then I'll end the video. You don't need to see a whole bunch of them. You could also label the side if you want. I know the font is pretty small on the colors. One other question you may have is, what if there's like BB is Basic Black, but we also have a BB for Bermuda Bay. Well, I kind of know our colors, so I already know this is Basic Black and this is Bermuda Bay. We also have Blackberry Bliss, but there's no mistaking that that's Blackberry Bliss. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.